All right, so we got this Vevor drywall lift. So the bottom part just kind of, so that has a stop to keep it from spinning too much more. And then this piece here, so this Vevor lift here operates basically the same as any other drywall lift. There's a handle here that just cranks it up and down, and then you got the brake that you kind of got to release to bring it back down to the ground, and then tilt it up, and you can put your drywall sheet on this side right here, and then you would just flip it back up. There is a lock here if you need it. I've used this lift here, I don't know, to put up quite a few sheets of drywall, so it's just a basic lift, but I'd recommend it as, you know, it does what it needs to do, and it's not overly expensive, so